Hi, this is a little big travel. In this video you will get a few rules how to cross safety the Via Ferratas, especially in the Dolomites. What you need to go to Via Ferrata: helmet, climbing harness, Via Ferrata lanyard with absorber, and gloves. Gloves are useful when overcoming difficult sections where you need to use strength and hold on tight. They will also protect your hands climbing on a hot day or when the metal elements making easier to overcome Via Ferrata are heated. Start early in the morning. There is usually a long approach to the start of the Via Ferrata. Sometimes it is worth walking some distance and spending the night somewhere, in a tent, in a shelter, so that you have a shorter distance to pass in the morning and more energy to pass Via Ferrata. If you choose ferrata in the Dolomites, be prepared to unprotected section of the route where you have to climb using your legs and arms, or simply pass an easy section of the route. In order not to lose the way, you need to look for the red or white and red marked. When you pass Via Ferrata, the route can be also marked with mounds made of stones. You overcome obstacles such as a bridge when the person in front of you passes that obstacle. When crossing the bridge, place your foot one by one in front of you, with your toes pointing diagonally outside. This will help you avoid excessive swinging of the rope. When the person in front of you is going up a section of the Via Ferrata, wait for a while until she has completed that section. Thanks to this, if she falls, you will avoid a collision because you will not be in her flight trajectory. Always attach the carabiner one after the other, never both at the same time. A carabiner should have its clasp facing in the opposite direction of the other one. If one carabiner is damaged as a result of a fall or opens due to pressure on rocks, the other one will never let you down. Use additional protection in the form of a climbing lanyard. If necessary, you can attach it to the rope, railing or a step and hang on it. To rest, wait for a person in front of you or just before a really difficult section. you can find on your smartphone a really good application, Guide of Via Ferratas. It is very useful application because you can get a very useful information about Via Ferratas in your area. At any time and wherever you are, you have a very useful information. How long is the distance to approach to the start of Via Ferrata? How long does it take that Via Ferrata? And how time do you need to come back to parking place? With this information, you can very well organize your trip. And of course, you can choose at the beginning a very easy ferrata, so you can pass it with no problem. And of course, you can be impressed by amazing landscapes that you can find in the Dolomites. This is why we love the Dolomites. See you on the trail.